Hi, I'm Wendy Gardner. I'm going to show how to use this automatic needle threader that has needles in it too. This auto needle threader comes with 5 needles in there already, but not only that, you can replace them as you use them. So on the back are the full instructions on how to use it. So let me show you. It is very simple. You pop your thread tail through that hole. Obviously I'm working backwards to show you. And then you just pull the first needle across and out. And there it is, threaded. It's as simple as that to thread a needle. But when you've finished threading all the needles, you can actually replace them. So when you've finished using all 5 needles, you can just replenish. Pop open the threader. I've still got 3 left, but this is just to show you. And you can see there's a needle threader in there. Now I'm going to pop a bit of white paper behind it so that I can see the eye of the needle when I put it through the needle threader. And then once it's in place, make sure that the needle threader is over the hole again and pop it back together. And there you are, ready to thread your needles all over again. I hope you've enjoyed that video clip. There are plenty more Hemline videos on youtube.com/Hemline International. And also, most of the products we've shown have extra colours or extra sizes. So to see more, go to www.hemline.com.